George Dickel Tabasco barrel finish. Smooth sipping.
Smooth sipping.
Let's see. This is 35% ABV or 70 proof. We're going to make a Manhattan out of that. And then we're going to fight to see who gets to try it out.
Yes. Yeah, welcome back to the Manhattan Project. We've taken a brief hiatus. So we're coming back in high style with a mini.
Yeah, of the finest quality.
So have you had this before?
I have not.
I mean, obviously we haven't had it in a Manhattan. No one has probably, but strainer?
Yeah.
Okay. We are also skipping the cherries for this cocktail because this is a nonsense cocktail. We recognize this, but we've been wanting to try it. So.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. We're gonna fight to see who gets to try it. We're only making one. That's right. That's right. Here, get in here. Watch this. All right. Good to the last drop. Okay. Smells spicy.
Nosing notes.
Nosing notes? Smells like Tabasco.
It's actually not overly so.
No, it's not.
But you pick it up.
Yeah.
For sure.
All right. So let's fight over this.
Rock, paper, scissors?
Yep.
All right.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes.
You did it for the third time. Wait, you win. Doesn't that mean you get to try it?
I thought we're not doing 2 out of 3.
Loser tries?
We're not doing 2 out of 3.
Oh, we can do 2 out of 3.
No, it's not, because since I won.
Okay, fine.
You try it.
I have to try it.
Yeah.
Fine.
Watch this be the best one we've ever made.
It's not the best one we've ever made.
Before I try it, and I will, even though you lost, but does the heat knock down the sweetness at all? Because normally these minis, the flavor ones, are really sweet.
Yeah, no, it's not very sweet at all.
Okay.
There's definitely a good amount of heat in this one.
All right.
All right, your turn.
It's nothing. It's not as bad as I thought it would be, but it tastes nothing like a Manhattan.
No, it doesn't. That Tabasco finish, I mean, it says Tabasco barrel finish, so, I mean, I don't know. This took on a lot of the Tabasco flavor.
Right. Since we've, even though the minis we usually do, you do in short form, you always give them a grade.
Yeah.
So, what do you think on this?
I'm going to give this a 3.5 out of 10.
I agree. Yeah, it's definitely below 5.
Yeah.
Because, we still want these nonsense minis to taste like a Manhattan. This one does not at all.
No, no. Everything else kind of gets lost in the cocktail with that. So, anyway.
Short and sweet.
Short and sweet, to the point. And we're out.
Oh. Peace.